Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include keyless entry, parking assist system, remote start, hands-free Bluetooth integration, Uconnect system. With these ratings, take a ride in the 2017 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.